G'day guys, this is me brother Dees. How you going, Dees?
I'm good, yourself?
Good. And what are we up to, mate?
We're going to do the back wheel to the Harley now.
The back wheel?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool, man.
Yeah, we're going to start on it and then put him on and hopefully finish him up a bit.
Sweet, brother.
Good to go?
Let's roll. This is part 3 of Stream's motorbike. Oh, bit windy. Bit windy. Alright.
Didn't stuff up my mole, so that's a
No,
good thing.
yeah, good.
Got it shimmed up to the right height that I want. Just going to put it in the centre. Hold in there. Eyes. Thongs off.
Alright. That's the first weld of the back wheel. Cool.
That's the back wheel done. Just got to shape him up, give him a bit of a clean up, and we'll weld him onto the frame and that in a moment.
Very
okay?
cool. In a second. That's the back wheel cleaned up. Alright, next time you see the wheel,
we'll have a chain and sprocket welded onto the, ready to go onto the motorbike.
cool.
And then we can put it together in a way.
Sweet.
Alright, good to go.
What are we up to, mate?
We're going to weld the back wheel to the chassis. So we've got the height of the bike that we want. Hope you didn't get it.
Yeah, I've got that.
Alright, so we've got the wheel welded to where the chassis where we want it.
Crikey, I was around the wrong way.
All we now is just the final little tacks of where it goes onto the wheel there, just to strengthen it up. Eyes. And one more just under the spring. And there you have it all. I'll give him a cool off. And now we're almost ready to set.
Cool.
Ready to
Very nice.
set the strength in it. So we're going to put the mud guard on. We're going to weld on the mud guard flap now. Just make sure it's square.
Oh my, looking good. Looking good.
Get your gap up there set. That way you get a nice little gap, you don't want too big. Just
Very
so
nice.
Clears the wheel. And we'll probably pause for a bit, but I've got to finish the seat off so the seat goes into the right spot.
Cool.
We've got it all ready to go to a point where we're going to put the seat on now, and that way we know that everything's sitting pretty hunky-dory.
I keep forgetting to turn the camera side.
We sprayed there.
Yeah.
No. What? Better.
Nice.
See, all welded on there now.
Lovely. Wait till this gets pickled. It's going to look awesome.
We just set the heights.
Looks awesome, yeah.
Before we weld it to the got to give him a weld in there to strengthen up the seat. Just one more because it might be a fat boy. You're going to need a bigger bucket.
We're getting there. Getting there. Yeehaw. All right. This is where we're up to. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Ready to put the exhausts on and mould them. But yeah, so far a little bit of a touch up on the motor and that, but yeah, so far, yeah, it looks good.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
The tribe is strong. God douche. Much love.